How to fix your login credentials don't match an account in your system on Riot Games. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll discuss about coming across an error message while attempting to log in into your Riot Games launcher. So it is said that your login credentials do not match any account in their system. So despite entering the correct username and the password, the issue persisted. So how do you go about resolving this? The only solution is to this error is to reset your account password, and here is how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and go to official website of Riot Games, from where you need to click on the sign in option in the top right corner of the screen. Then you will come across the sign in portal, and instead of using your correct form of your username and the password, simply go ahead and click on can sign in option over here. Simply go ahead and click on the forgot password option and enter the correct form of your username. After that, they will send you a password reset link to your email associated with your account. Check your email for the reset link and click on it, and then you can set your new password. After entering it, then click on submit button and your password will be updated to the new one. And once you have changed your password, try reopening the Riot Games client launcher and enter your username and the new password, and now you should be able to log in successfully. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.